thank you for joining us today. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to use the VeriFlosser by VeriFresh. Now there's a couple of great things about this flosser. The first great thing is that you have a handle. Now usually when you use spool floss, you have to insert it in with your fingers, and it's not really easy. With the flosser it's much easier. Now another great thing is that the head rotates this way. We're going to see how it helps us in a second. Usually when you use spool floss, you need to use at least 3 feet for every use. And this flosser needs only 2 inches every time. That's great. Now, let's see how we actually use it. So, for the front teeth, I'm going to turn it this way. Insert it in. Back and forth. Get out any plaque and food particles. Now for the rear teeth, I'm going to turn it this way. Now it's really easy to get it in. Great. So, when we finish using it, the manufacturer recommends switching the head. But actually, this floss is very strong. You could just rinse it off and use it multiple times. So what happened if your teeth are close together and this is too thick for you? Just take it out and switch it with the yellow head, which has thinner floss. And I could use it very easily. Perfect. So, thank you for joining us today. I hope I helped you. Goodbye.